Good morning, student of class 2. I am your computer teacher Sanjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today, I am going to start revision of an important topic which is use of a computer at different place. Okay, uses of a computer at different place like school, home, hospital, railway station, airport, etc. Okay, and in this video, I am going to discuss each of the place one by one. Okay, so now let's start. So first is a computer is a smart machine. Okay, as all of you know that a computer is a smart machine and it is being used to do number of tasks, and it is used for doing normal day-to-day tasks such as typing letter, watching movies and booking movie tickets, as well as doing the complex tasks such as sending rockets into space. Okay, so there are lots of uses of a computer. Okay, so basically we use the computer for doing normal day-to-day tasks. Okay, so now let's discuss about uses of a computer. Okay, so we have seen the computer being used in many places. Okay, many places means school, home, school, home, airport, a railway station, banks, etc. Okay, such as in home, school, hospital, railway station, airports, banks, shopping mall, malls, office. Okay, and nowadays computers are used in the field of designing defense, space research and making animated movies also. Okay, so the first place is at home. Okay, so we use the computer at home to send and receive electronic mails, mean email. Okay, to send and receive electronic mails. Okay, next is we can listen to music, watch movies and also play games by using the computer. Next is we can search for information on any topic by using the computer. This is very important point. We can easily search for information on the any topic by using the computer. Okay, next is we can make our project by using the computer. We can find the meaning of words by using the computer, and we can solve the sum by using a computer. Okay, so all these are the uses of a computer at home. Okay, at home. Next place is in school. Okay, so the teachers can use the computer for preparing the timetable. Okay, timetable means routine. Okay, so teacher can uses the computer to prepare the timetables. Next, teacher can use this computer to making test papers and report cards. Okay, test paper means question paper. Okay, question paper, and also the report card means result. Okay, next is the teacher can use this computer for schedule, typing the schedules and circulars. Okay, next is we can draw and color picture by using the computer. Computer are used in a library. Okay, computer is used in a library to keep a record of all books. Okay, keep a record of all books. Okay, next is the teacher can use the computer while teaching the student. So these are the all uses of a computer in school. Okay, next place is in hospital. Okay, next place is in hospital. So here you can see in this image the doctor can diagnose a patient illness. Okay, and doctor is examining a patient's eye. Okay, so a computer can be used to record and monitor a person's heartbeat. Okay, heartbeat. They are used by the doctor to performing the operations, and they are used to keep the record of the all patients in the hospitals, and they are used for the preparing and printing the medical reports. Okay, so in the hospital the computer is used for diagnosis the patient illness, to monitor the person's heartbeat, to perform a operation, to keep the record of all the patients in hospitals, and they are used for the preparing and printing the medical report also. Okay, so these are the all uses in of a computer in hospital. Next is at railway station and airports. Okay, so at railway station computer are used to used for booking tickets. Okay, we all know that we can easily book tickets at the railway counter or the airport counter, ticket booking counter, and the computer is are used for the booking tickets. Okay, next is they are used to know that the arrival and the departure of train and flights. Okay, arrival and the departure. Next is they are used to keep the records of all passengers. Okay, so first uses is booking tickets, next is to know the arrival and departure of a train or flights, and last is to keep a record of all passengers. Okay, next place is in banks. Okay, in banks, so a computer are used to withdraw monies withdraw money from ATMs. Okay, ATM means automated teller machine. Okay, ATM means automated teller machine, which is based on computer. Okay, so next is they are used to maintain records of customer, and they are used to do calculation. Okay, so the main uses of a computer is withdraw money from the ATMs, they are used to maintain the records of all customers, and they are used to do all the calculations. Okay, in banks. The next place is at shopping malls. Okay, so a computer can be used to keep a list of items and their prices, and a computer can used to calculate and the make bills at shopping malls. Okay, so main thing is the computer is used to keep a list of items and their prices and to calculate and make a bill. Okay, next is office. In office the computer are used to type letters and the documents. Okay, type letters and the documents. Next is they are used to store huge amount of data and or information. Okay, huge amount of data or information. Next is they are used to perform the calculation, and they are used to send and receive emails. Okay, so these are the uses of a computer in offices. The next place is for designing field. Okay, for designing field a computer are used to designing books, okay, clothes and jewelry. Okay, next is they are used by the architecture for designing buildings, and next is they are used by the engineers to designing cars, aeroplanes and the robots. Okay, so there are lots of uses of a computer in designing field. Next is for defense purpose, a computer are used to keep records of all type of criminals. Okay, criminals. Next is they are used for keeping records of defense equipments. Okay, next is they are used for the communication. Communication is the most important thing of a of using a computer. Okay, so communication is the big advantages of using a computer. Next is they are used for controlling the missiles. Okay, so these are the uses of um, a, uh, a computer for defense purpose. Next place is for space research. Okay, a computer are used for space research and for launching satellite. Okay, so these are very important point. Okay, the computer are used for space research and for launching the satellite. Next is for making animated movies. The computer are used to make animated movie like cartoon. Okay, animated movie and the 3D graphics. Okay, so these are the all places where the computer is used nowadays. Okay, so I hope that all of you understand all the uses of a computer in all places. Okay, so please all of you need to read the topic very carefully. Okay, because your first term exam is mainly based on MCQ. Okay, so all of you have to read the uh, topic very carefully. Okay, and your first term examination is going to start from 10th of August, and the computer exam is held on 20th of August. Okay, so please all of you read each and every chapter very carefully. Okay, and today I am ending my discussion here, and all the best for your first term examination. Okay, and in my next video I will start a new chapter. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.